Hi, I'm Jack Osman Byrne. I am a crew apprentice with Scale Cymru. So for the last few months I haven't really been in the office. I've been out on placements. My first placement was with Gorilla Post Production, which is the biggest post-production house in South Wales. It was a brilliant experience. Just learning how all that happens, and yeah, it's well. I made a lot of good friends there, a lot of contacts that I can keep for life. I also learned the standards of running because I'm still fairly new to the industry. So when I went to Gorilla, it kind of, how people expect things of me, which I was able to then take from Gorilla to other placements which I've had. So I've had a really good experience with Gorilla. My second placement was Saving Lives in Wales, which is a factual TV show made by Label One, which was a hospital documentary based in the Heath Hospital, University Hospital of Wales. That was a very brilliant experience. It's eye-opening when you go into a hospital and just just the magnitude of it, and you get to meet the doctors and the nurses, the people that are really making big decisions about other people's health and other people's lives as well. I learned so much on factual TV. I had a brilliant experience with all the shoot and crew. I was offered to camera operate. I was offered to go out and film a wedding for a patient. It was really brilliant. I had a really good experience on there, and it's definitely piqued my interest in the world of factual TV. So my third placement was with Bad Wolf, working on a yet to air TV series called Dope Girls. That was a brilliant experience because just seeing the sheer magnitude of a high-end TV production of that scale, and being able to work on it and learn, and I had a brilliant production team. Everyone was really accommodating of me. It's really good to have that trainee/apprentice label when you go into the film and TV industry, because people expect that, people know that you might not know as much as them, and it encourages them to kind of help you learn it. So I learned so much from Dope Girls, just again for standards in HGTV, high-end TV, and just about the whole South Wales industry, which I can use for when I eventually leave Scale Cymru. And yeah, I had a brilliant experience with Dope Girls. That was the longest placement I had, and I enjoyed every single minute of it, to be fair. And it's definitely, again, just like factual TV with Saving Lives in Wales, that piqued my interest. Dope Girls piqued my interest in HGTV, and now I've just come into this apprenticeship I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to be in this industry. I didn't know where, I didn't know what, and I've come out of it thinking that I've got two avenues which I could possibly explore, which, I mean, it's a year ago today. I probably wouldn't. I wasn't thinking that. I was, So I really enjoyed my experience with Scale Cymru, and I would recommend them, to be fair. It's just it's brilliant. Every day is a different day, but it's just. You don't know what you're expecting when you get into work each morning. What something might have popped up overnight, which as an apprentice, it's always interesting to come in and oh, you got another priority because something happened overnight, and next thing you know, you're doing something which you thought you're driving to so and so, which you thought you wasn't going to do in that day. And just being in this industry, really, I think. It's such a brilliant opportunity to just say that you can work on a TV and film or anything, really. I never thought I would be able to have an opportunity like this when I was coming out of high school, even a little bit when I was coming out of uni, to be honest, because you don't think that these opportunities are out there, and then once I discovered Scale Cymru, I realised they were, and Skill Academy have shown me that there are opportunities out there, and I've been able to use them for myself, which has been brilliant, and it's been the overall aim of my apprenticeship, and yeah, I think I've achieved it, to be fair.